Hey, hi Esther, how are you?
Hi. Hey, I'm good. Thank you very much. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. So, hope I'm pronouncing your name correct. It's Esther, right?
Esther, yes, absolutely.
Yes. Okay. So, Esther, how's it feeling? Your movie Johaar, two songs has been already lyrically released. So, how does that feel?
It's great. I mean, it came all of a sudden because I was not expecting a song to be released right now. But a lot of my friends and also I was waiting for it. Like, when's the song coming up? When is the film coming out? And then it came out, and I was really happy. And as of now, we're getting really positive responses. People are like, "Oh, it's such a nice song. You're so cute," and all that. And I think romance or doing something romantic is. I'm doing it for the first time, and I was also excited. Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Yeah, so already I see a lot of your fans been saying you hello, hello, hi, hi, and so you better say hi
Hi,
to all of
hi.
them first.
Yeah, ఎల్లవరకు నమస్కారం అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
So, Telugu, you can understand Telugu, right?
I can understand, but I think chala. I don't know. I think it's really bad. My in Telugu is bad.
అర్థమైంది అర్థమైంది that's fine. So, how was the experience is there working with Teja Garu, director? How was it?
It was nice. I mean, they are a bunch of newcomers, and what do you say? I don't think I worked with a lot of newcomers, and I was really excited because they're all youngsters, and there's a lot of energy, and it's all a very different experience, and you get to learn new things. And obviously, we shot in Rajahmundry and then Varanasi, so altogether, the total experience is very different. And I think even the shooting portions in Varanasi was also quite difficult, and I think I gave them a little hard time in terms of that because to
Oh,
get along and all that. But I think it really came out well. Even Teja, I mean, they're a great team because they keep appreciating after every shot. It's really nice, and you've done it well. So it's really it motivates you, and you want to give the best. So I think it was great. It was a great experience. Even Ankit, he's also very talkative and very friendly. So you don't have any what do you say, like I'm a little shy, or how am I gonna do it? So they were like such a great team, I would say.
it's so good to know that. So, I've been getting a lot of messages in Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, what languages. I'm so sorry, I'm not able to read all of them.
uh,
But, it's your first Telugu movie.
as a heroine, yeah.
Yeah, as a heroine, it's your first Telugu movie. So, as a lead, I mean, one of the main
Yeah,
character.
yeah, because my first Telugu film was Drishyam as
Ah,
Venkatesh uncle's daughter. So I
yeah,
think as lead, this is going to be my first Telugu film. Yeah,
first
you're
film,
right.
yes. So, how was it? Because in that Drishyam, you are just a small character, you're like, in this, you're on lead. So, as soon as you got to heard your story, your character, and all, so how did you feel? What is your first judgment?
Sorry. So I'll be very honest. In the beginning, when I heard the script, like my parents heard the script first, and my parents didn't want to do the film because they were very doubtful in the beginning because they were like, it's a new team, it's a new production house. Are you sure you want to do it? And also, it was during my summer vacation, so it's the time you get to actually chill and relax. So they were like, you want to do it, and I am a person who's always okay with doing a film if my parents are okay, because I'm very lazy in choosing something and then doing. And also it's like, if they're saying a yes, then I'll do the film. That's how it goes. So but then for the first time I was like, no, the script is good, I think we should give it a try. And they were really surprised. They were like, wow, all right, then we're going to do it, then let's do it. And I was very excited about that because I it's controversial, but also at the same time there are a lot of things this character should convey, and it should actually connect with the people. So yeah, it was a great experience, I'd say. I was excited, and I am very excited even now. I am waiting so much for this film.
Awesome. I can see that on your face, how excited and you're waiting for the movie. So I asked even director sir, he haven't told me anything yet. I hope to get a clue from you, like about
No.
what is the title is all about. Who is he telling Johaar to?
I don't know, maybe you should decide it after you watch the film. Like once you finish watching it, you should be like, okay, now let's see.
Okay, I get it, get it. So most of the shooting was done in Varanasi, your part,
Yeah. Sorry.
right? So how was that experience of shooting in Varanasi? All that Ganga river, everything, all the prayers. So how was that?
So, like I said, I was very excited. Like I was with my father, and I remember the day we got out at Varanasi airport, and then we took a cab, and we just they sent us the location, and we got out, and then this person came out, and he said, "Follow me," and my father and I we started following him through the slums. Like we were walking. It was night. It was almost like 8:30, 9ish. And then I was like, where are we going? This place looks super shady, and we're walking. This dude is carrying a bag, and and then finally we reached almost near to that, the not Ganga River exactly, the shoulder, like the part. And there was this hotel, and they're like, this is your accommodation. So the next day morning we got up and we started walking. We really enjoy, walking out and talking to people and all that. So, and then it was a great experience. I mean, I have heard about Ganga, but I didn't know that there was a slum or anything nearby, and there were a lot of people living nearby. So it was a great experience. We were walking, talking to people, and we saw the prayers and the festivals, like the all those happening. I don't know the exact name, so it it was beautiful. The place. It's a very different experience. I think everyone should at least experience that once. Maybe go there and see what's happening.
You actually showed it so clearly. We can even imagine you going through all the slums. Somebody's carrying your bag. You're following. You can actually see that visually. You explained it so well.
Wow. Thank you.
Is there you to get into acting? Who inspired you to get into acting? Who's your favorite?
I don't know. I see. I did my first film when I was in third standard. I was very young, and I never wanted to become an actor. Like I loved films. I grew up watching Malayalam films and even few Telugu films of Venkatesh Uncle and also Nagarjuna Garu. So I had like I loved films, but I never wanted to become an actor. So I don't think there was any person who inspired me as such. But after coming to films, I worked with great people, and that have really inspired me, especially like Mohanlal sir and Mammootty sir, and even coming to Telugu, Venkatesh Uncle. There's a lot of people, and how grounded they are and how well they treat people, but they're also great actors. So I think all that have really inspired me, and there are no inspiration as such from the beginning. It just happened on the way.
Oh, that's good to know that you're confident and you came through step by step and all. So on whole this Johaar movie journey of the shooting. So was that one memory that stuck in your mind that probably you worked so hard for it, or it was tough job or something like that?
There is actually. So we were shooting one of the major portion of our story, like that is mine and Ankit's. And I can't speak Telugu very fluently. So, but I don't have many scenes where I'm giving like big dialogues or anything. But there was this scene where I had almost one full page dialogues. So I was very nervous and I started by hearting the lines and all that. We were shooting the whole thing in the rain, and I still don't know how I said it. Like we have the during dubbing, you can hear the pilot, like whatever you said during the shoot. And I was like, which language is this? Because it was nonsense, first of all, whatever I said. But because it was raining and you just need to match the lip, and it was one shot, like the whole one paragraph, one page full dialogue was one scene. Like we shot it in one go. It was very challenging, I would say. Then there's raining, and then there's a lot of emotion. We got to fight and all that. So I think that was very challenging, and I'm never gonna forget that. Like I was like, kudos to you. So yeah.
Good job. So do you
Thank
remember
you.
the dialogue?
No, it was very lengthy. I just remember few words like W and then I don't know if I
Go
just
on, go
pronounced
on,
it wrong.
please. We would love to hear some Telugu words from you.
No, I can actually say what do you say? Aklestundi, Naki Needu Kavali, and yeah, just basic things. But I don't remember the dialogue.
Any one dialogue from Johaar movie? From any part
I'm
of
so
it?
sorry. I completely. I mean, I forgot most of the part. I'm just too
No, okay.
nervous.
Can see that. Okay. So two songs has been released so far. So in that, your song was Ni Rupam Yadruga.
Yeah.
So we could see you on that school dress and all. So how was it?
Yeah.
Memory? Take us through the journey of this song.
Yeah, like I said, we shot all those scenes in Varanasi, and every day Teja would make us like, oh, we need to shoot montages, we have to do that, we have to do this. Every day he'll be taking, such scenes which is not seen as such, but some montages. So I was like, what is he doing? He's taking too many scenes, and is it a waste of time and all that? But while watching the song, it have actually come out really well, and it's very cute and romantic. Not because I did it, the whole music and the way everything is happening, it's very cute. So I'd say they always make me like walk from here and there, go there, and then just give him the look, just give him that awkward smile. So I kept doing that for like 2-3 times, not 2-3, like more than that, and I wonder what is he making me do. But then it was great, like it came out well.
Okay. I'm sure Teja sir must be watching the movie and he must be like, okay, you thought about it like that now. But sure he's going to be thinking.
Well,
Yeah, see, so many people are telling you hi, hello, and so many people have been asking you to one dialogue in Telugu.
yeah, I only remember, and I have to say hi to all Malayali family and fans, all of them. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ കമന്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ വായിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്, പക്ഷെ ഇവര് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ആൻസർ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് കേട്ടോ. Yeah, and to Telugu people, okay, I just know this one dialogue from Drishyam. That is what I said. Aklestundi Tinadaniki emaina pekava. That's the only thing I remember, like even now. So that's it.
That's super cute. But okay, anyway, so all those people have been kind of a little angry on me also. Guys, please forgive me. So I can't really understand what Tamil, Malayalam, whatever thing that it is. We are just focusing on Johaar movie, her next coming up movie. So if you have any good questions, please throw up. I'll take these questions and ask her.
Yeah.
Okay.
ഇനി വരുന്ന ജോഹാർ മൂവിയെ കുറിച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കൂ എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. All right. Yeah. I'm sorry because people are even commenting on Malayalam. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll just do it for them as well. Because there are a lot of Malayalis. Because Malayalam industry is where I did all my films and I'm even doing films. So I am a Malayali actor.
Oh, I get it. So a lot of people are saying, Ashish is saying hello. Onnu reply tha please. Lucifer.
Yeah, that is Malayalam. Onnu replies and please give me a reply.
Okay. Okay, no, I'll comment. I'm so sorry, guys. Please forgive me today. Okay, so how was it working? See, with Ankit, the lead, with you.
Yeah, like I said, he's very friendly, and I remember the first day he came up to me and said, "Hey, my name is Ankit. I am actually not an introverted person, but I have this starting trouble kind of thing, to start a conversation and all that." So he came up to me and he's like, "Hey, my name is Ankit. What are you doing? What are you studying?" He was very friendly, and we started talking, and we became really good friends. I even taught him few Malayalam words, which when he joined the live, you can definitely ask him. And then we just got along really well, and it really helped for the film as well, I hope.
Absolutely. And what's your dream? What is it after another, say, like down the lane of 5 to 10 years? How do you want to see yourself?
Well, I'd like to do great films, but I'm also pursuing a career in something like economics and business. So I see myself there also. Maybe, start a business in like 10 years, something. Not giving you any more clue on that, but I definitely want to do a lot of good films because, I believe I have some talent and God-given, and I think I should definitely not waste it.
Awesome. So good to see that beauty with brains have a good plan.
Thank you.
So, before we say bye, Esther, in your words about Johaar movie to the audience, please.
Yes, so hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming to the live. It's a very small film. It has not got like mega stars or, but it, it's an effort of really, it's a very genuine effort. So we'd like all of you to see it and support it with all your heart. And also to all Malayalis, നിങ്ങൾ ലൈവിൽ വന്നു എന്ന് എനിക്കറിയാം. മലയാളത്തിൽ സംസാരിക്കാത്ത ഈ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തെലുഗു ഒരു ഫിലിമിനെ കുറിച്ച് സംസാരിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. അപ്പൊ എല്ലാവരും ആ പാട്ട് ചെക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഇത് യൂട്യൂബിലുണ്ട്. ഇറ്റ്സ് അറ്റ് മധുര ഓഡിയോ. അപ്പം ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുവാണെങ്കിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാം. പറയാ നിങ്ങളുടെ റെസ്പോൺസസ് ഒക്കെ. ഒരുപാട് ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം. അതൊരു ചെറിയ ഫിലിമാണ്. സോ താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു.
Okay,
I am so sorry.
Thank you. Okay.
Very sorry.
Songs are in Madhura Audio YouTube page. You guys can listen to it, and that's what I understood. But anyway, thank you so much, Esther, for joining live with us.
Thank you very much.
I'm gonna move to our hero Ankit. So let me just see what is going to talk about you. Bye.
Bye.
All the best.
Thank you.